everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I thought I would share with you a party that I threw for my daughter when she turned 16. This actually was not recent, as she just turned 21, but because it's springtime and there are weddings and baby showers and Mother's Day and lots of spring birthdays, I thought it might be fun to take a look at a high tea garden party. So let's get going.
I'll begin by showing you the invitation we created for the party out of scrapbook paper. We used black and white polka dot paper in the background and a lavender paper in the foreground that we printed on. The charms you see were part of the party favors. We put a clip art teapot in the background of the invitation and then tied them together with a bow and button at the top. Next, I'm showing you the menu we had at the party. Each of these went on a place setting and it was printed on the lavender paper. And then the food cards were printed on white cardstock. Because the party was being held in March, we rented a tent and a couple of tables to put in our backyard. We also rented chairs and tablecloths, but we had the napkins. We used lavender tablecloths with black and white napkins to tie in with the party colors. We decorated the top of the tent with large tissue paper poofs and poof garlands. Here's a close-up. These took forever to fluff. On the back of each chair, we added a double-layer bow of sheer purple and sheer white ribbon with the same button that was used on the invitation. The ribbon came from Costco. Also from Costco are the flowers that we used in the centerpieces for each table. It took 2 bouquets to create each centerpiece using a half-dome form. You may recognize these jumping bunnies from my Easter decor. The flowers were a mix of lavender and hot pink roses and lavender chrysanthemums. We had a few flowers left over, which I used in a bud vase on the beverage station. I did not have enough of my own china setting, so I borrowed some of my mother's as well as some of her sterling so we could have real china and sterling on the table. I also used alternating styles of my crystal for the glassware. Each place setting had a place card made out of the same cardstock. It also had a favor basket that was lavender with little lavender birds on top that we bought at Pier 1. And then each place setting also had a menu card. The favor baskets included some tea with a custom label, a sheer organza bag with the charms you saw earlier, and a ceramic tea bag holder in the shape of a teapot. Here's another look at the menu that was at each place setting. We used a double-layer napkin, the black one for your lap, and the white one with Battenberg lace to keep on the table to dab your face. Instead of napkin rings, we tied each napkin together with a polka dot ribbon, and then we put in a small black and white polka dot pinwheel. Here's another look at the favor basket. We bought both the basket and the birds at Pier 1, and although we were able to find the baskets at just a couple of Pier 1s, we had to go to 5 different stores in order to get all lavender birds, because the same SKU number was used for all the birds, no matter what color they were. We used our wet bar as a candy bar. I ordered the lollipops, rock candy, and black and lavender M&Ms from Amazon. Here's a look at the cake, which my daughter designed herself. We did, however, order the cake from a local bakery. And last but not least is a picture of my daughter posing with her cake before the party started.
Thanks for watching. If you like this sort of content and want to see more parties that I may have hosted in the past, please leave me a comment down below. And also give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week, including home decor, home organization, decluttering, and that sort of thing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!